Amazing is turning your lounge into a stadium. Debonair's Pizza. Try something amazing.
The new Fortuna GR Sport, the luxury of freedom unleashed.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs nil, Chippa United nil. Kaizer Chiefs collecting 9 points from their previous 15. I remember their last 2 games they won. Remember beating Richards Bay 1-0, beating Orbit 4-1. Then they played the Champions League. If you remember those games, they lost against Al Masry. They drew against Zamalek, Epulukwa. Namhlanje bebedlala against Chippa United. Chippa United now is winless in their last 9 games. Their last win was almost 3 months ago against the Orbit, where they won 2-1. That was on the 16th of September. So, okobedlala nje if badraw bayaluza, but namhlanje bebedlala neNyusoweto Giant. Their previous game was against Orlando Pirates, where they lost 2-0. Namhlanje bedlala against Chiefs eGqeberha, drew 0-0. Igame junior benikubona ba first half ubunayo doubt, but second half uhlele studio usithi yeah, it's end to end.
Shane, my brother, kunjani?
I'm okay, my brother. How are you?
Bulisa wena Bulisa Justice, always looking beautiful. Bulisa Lindo Pep, Bulisa Benedict Sovilagazi, Kulule my brother. Kunjani fit. Eba fit kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV fighting no one try to fix South African football. Manga bange good cheap uzodla abantu. That's my question. No, I just want to find out. If you can't beat Chippa United, who you want to beat?
Must be Orbit, because that was their last win. They beat Orbit 4-1.
Chippa United, but they Shane Pants. Everybody's picking up point there at Chippa United. So if you can't beat Kaizer Chiefs, they want to. This year, they said they wanted, after signing these players, irrespective of Tamanya, my free agent, they said they want to challenge. Yeah, true. Going to the game, Shane. Chippa United team I think there was no redeem team now. 3 players in the middle field. Number 1, Msele, very disappointing. Ulumfano Bonani, Fekane. There was no combination. There was no redeem. Manga ba una middle field anga understandani. Obvious angeke kube ne redeem. With the banga understandani. Too many mistakes at the back. Coaching ibonile funa ukustart iball at the back. But it agana those type of players. This guy deserves man of the match. Vasika did very well. Work so like extra mind fit. That guy was panile. So ngimkayisandla fit. If bengasuye, I would give mhlambe maybe ngasho to goalkeeper, but not much.
It was in the 50th minute when you said this guy is going to win man of the match.
Yeah, kumbula ngikutshela la
it was in the 50th minute.
Yeah. Because the guy sengibhekene leadership, understanding at the back, timing, very composed. Decision making, well done to the guy. We deserve man of the match. Bekadlala ilo block. Ngikhuluma ngaye uVilla, cala ukudefender from a center. Allow Kaizer Chiefs to back pedlila, and then ufuna ubamba Chiefs nge counter attack. But beyangana number, let down by Matros as well. First 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Another high school mistake from Miguel. I'm not too sure. We receive it, we'll pass without even looking. Or pass to figure read.
Even the weight of the ball or the weight of the pass, it was not convincing.
Why bangeko show ungalishaya kube ikhona kick okanye mhlambe throw in? It's a goal lapha. Sure figure in I mean to naye beyangeko ready for lela ball as a striker. I'm very disappointed. Very good player. But today I don't think he had a good game because psychological manga after that lela ball he didn't have a good game. First half, I think Kaizer Chiefs, they had so many ball possession without to penetrate. They like playmaking. Well done to this Mabuye guy. Angshilo basani big fish lapha. They are out here understand their position. Too many positive passes from him forward. He hardly lose the ball. That guy, a dictator in midfield. He understand their position. He can play as a defensive midfield. I mean, he's a versatile player. Very smart. He work very hard. But to smart foot, very intelligent, football intelligent. Leautile did very well into this game. he never lost a position. He was led down by 2 attackers, which is Matlu and Nkosimpile Ngcobo. Playing away from each other. How many times they link when you strike a loose silver? How many times? How many times they take shot? Okanye bangene boxini, okanye mhlambe taking shot goalkeeper. Nothing. I think Shane, njoba ngisho, I think his side will function Kaizer Chiefs. It's only one-sided, which is Ilengwenya le. Yes, I think very dynamic, did very well. I didn't know what to shout.
Can't Junior before playing a point. They, as well as Nam, because Uvelepai, he was one of the liveliest players, the Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
There was also Ngosi Mpile, but 2 substitutions early in the second half. And then Van Gogh, you could see go to the left side, the Kaizer Chiefs was not functional after Bekuchi. Do you think that was the right sub by the 2 co-coaches?
Shane, just before Pendula, the guy did very well. First half, he was the only player who could he can find something for Kaizer Chiefs. If not gonna get something, he can create something for Kaizer Chiefs. Cutting, he shoots. Very dynamic player. Dimension, this square pass, and it did very well for me. I think it did very, very well for me. But second half coming to, well done to Vusmuzi, the team came lively. The body language changed. Now they start the NH level. Magafagunga, about red there. Magafika lapa bullying these guys, Quinika and also Miguel. Well done to the coach, but disappointing with Takipo Matrospek. This guy, I'm sure he was gonna get so many fouls, and then go a cross in swinger or an out swinger. You understand? I'm trying to be more dangerous job. But well done to them. Also figure it come to the party Msele. Well done to him. Now we always because very disappointing first half, but second half well done to him. It's him, Chippa United second half. A body language change. Very direct, they went. I think they were coachable. Well done to them. They break Kaizer Chiefs, almost get a chance. Lapo goalkeeper, I think, almost got a goal. Well done to Evanga.
Oh, that shot.
That shot to the goalkeeper, but good positioning from Upita Sin. None other than that, not much of our chances both teams. You understand? Because of it is like creativity. They had so many ball position in the first half, but going sideways, side to side. Yes, fullbacks today, which is Marco. But these guys, they were not effective enough up front. On the right hand side, I think yes, on the left hand side, they were playing with this guy. No, on the left, they were Velepai. On the right, it's not his position there. Shane Axi wing Alamfana. I think that boy is number 10, more or less to number 10.
I think his best position is number 10.
Yes, for me, because he can't run. He's not that dynamic. Decision making. Because Magadlala coming on this side, cutting in. How many Lamapola Lawadlalayo Adlula in front of the ball, all the way out ball. Ubuke is an ordinary player. Leanti means I'm predictable. So I don't think he's a wing. Tactical change from me, coach. I'm not too sure. Ukipa Lumfano Velepai. Uleto Umodi on the left hand side. He's not been giving you anything. And then also, Ukipa, I'm surprised. We am keeper Mfundo Vilagazi. Utatuma is a strike of Misaka right. I'm not too sure why. Angish Kutumfundo had a good game, but Bengamelanga wants some keep Mangabuzo Tatuma Misa on the right hand side. Not much of a silver, but I'm fit. But I'm going more man from him. I want him to create some chances for himself now. We are peeling off, taking defenders on. But I think the game deserves it.
For a bit of change, Junior, Ilana Chiefs, previous games, Ox. Starting games for the Kaizer Chiefs, and Abanbe Mngomo is one of the improved players the Kaizer Chiefs this season. Chiefs with Lalile Namhlanje without Ox. We wouldn't try to midfield the Kaizer Chiefs without Ox.
Whether it's there or not, give me the same. I need to be honest. If I can answer you, if Uko and Orageko for me, it can't be any midfield for Kaizer Chiefs. They need to get even Nababu Matlu, including him, Matlu, and Nkosing Pile Ngobo. They can't be midfield for Kaizer Chiefs. It's been a while by the Maskuma and Jefar. Mabuye, they need to find proper number 8 or 10 for him.
To complement him.
Yes, azokwazi ukumcomplimenta. This guy did very well. That's why I got the yellow card. He's getting frustrated. Manga check le game imtrainile ngikhuluma nga first half, udlale ngama moments second half. Bombono ngamboni. That's why agcina frustrated thola ukuthi uba late ngama tackle second half. But the guy leadership smart. He work hard smart as well. If football intelligent yalazi ibhola. And ayixwaye ubhekele ama dangerous passes. Khuluma ngama lento ezenza umkwena uyazenza. And the experience of playing the Champions League, you can tell this guy mfethu. We are going structure, and I well done to this Mabuye guy. I think we'll let you intermission, but as we pendula. Mina for me, these two they didn't bring it different, which is Matlo, Nankosing Pilengo. But now Ox, it can't be a midfield of Kaizer Chiefs and Kulmange. Whether it's a defensive or attack, it can be. They need to find proper players for that position because they lack creativity in today's game.
Junior, thank you so much for your analysis. We're going to know Junior umdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs namhlanje phake e-Nelson Mandela Bay Stadium eGqeberha nalapho ke i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale khona ke ngokulingana 0-0 against the struggling bottom of the table Chippa United. It's Kaizer Chiefs 0, Chippa United 0. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafetu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Diski TV.